Okay, so background radiation is, well, it's in its name, the radiation that's in the background of our entire lives. So background radiation really so background radiation is, well, it's in the name, the radiation that's in the background around all of us all the time. So, but the reason why people don't really, speak about it or make a massive fuss over it is because background radiation is extremely low level. Okay, it's not enough to suddenly turn into the Hulk or anything like that, right? But it is present, and you do need to know the sources of this radiation, right? Where does it come from? So, the biggest source, around 50%, it just comes from the air all around us. So the air contains radon gas, which is radioactive, which decays and gives off radioactive particles. Okay, so that's air. Now, the next thing is called cosmic rays. Now, cosmic rays are just high energy particles in, well, the cosmos, so space, which which interact with our atmosphere, and again give off radioactive particles. Okay, so that's another thing. Now, cosmic rays really only make up around 10% of our background radiation dose. So you can see straight away that's a massive decrease from the 50% that's in the air around us. Next is actually just rocks. So rocks and underground formations. So these give off around like 8-ish%, something like that. Now these values sort of really start to vary wildly depending on the data you use, but the two that you should really be aware of is air 50% and cosmic rays 10%. Okay, next we have the medical industry. So this is in cancer therapy, x-rays, all sort of thing. These all contribute to the background radiation dose. Then actually quite a large bit is food and drink. So again, food, well, there's no really need to explain that food and drink is just food and drink. So we have that. So the food and drink we eat, that's also slightly radioactive. In fact, bananas are a very common way of measuring radiation doses. So it's called the banana dose. And in fact, I had to do that in my GCSE exam. And then we also have a nuclear test, but this is very, very small. Like, this is really less than 1%. So this is from nuclear reactors, nuclear tests or weapons, so like Fukushima, so Fukushima and Nagasaki in Japan, or nuclear disasters like Chernobyl. All sort of things, these all contribute to the background radiation, but it's extremely low, it's less than 1%. Now you understand what background radiation actually is and some of the sources of it.